Sprouts! Today we're counting sports equipment. Let's count and see how many there are. How many footballs do you see? There are 4 footballs. How many soccer balls do you see? There is 1 soccer ball. How many baseballs do you see? There are 9 baseballs. How many hockey pucks do you see? There are 6 hockey pucks. How many 8 balls do you see? There are 8 balls. How many tennis balls do you see? There are 2 tennis balls. How many bowling balls do you see? There are 10 bowling balls. How many golf balls do you see? There are 7 golf balls. How many basketballs do you see? There are 5 basketballs. How many volleyballs do you see? There are 3 volleyballs. Good job, Sprouts. See you.
Hey Sprouts, can you help these athletes find their items? Which item is for the basketball player? Yes, the basketball is for the basketball player. Which item is for the soccer player? The soccer ball is for the soccer player. Which item is for the hockey player? Yes, the hockey puck is for the hockey player. Which item is for the badminton player? Yes, the shuttlecock is for the badminton player. Good job, Sprouts! See you next time.
Hey Sprouts, today we're counting football equipment. Let's count and see how many there are.
How many whistles do you see? There are 7 whistles. How many football fields do you see? There is 1 football field. How many shoulder pads do you see? There are 3 shoulder pads. How many goalposts do you see? There are 2 goalposts. How many foam fingers do you see? There are 5 foam fingers. How many pairs of football cleats do you see? There are 6 pairs of football cleats. How many pairs of pom-poms do you see? There are 8 pairs of pom-poms. How many jerseys do you see? There are 10 jerseys. How many footballs do you see? There are 4 footballs. How many football helmets do you see? There are 9 football helmets. Good job, Sprouts. See you next time.
Hey, Sprouts! Today we're counting baseball objects. Let's count and see how many there are. How many foam fingers do you see? There is 1 foam finger. How many batting helmets do you see? There are 6 batting helmets. How many baseball fields do you see? There are 3 baseball fields. How many baseballs do you see? There are 10 baseballs. How many catcher's helmets do you see? There are 4 catcher's helmets. How many baseball gloves do you see? There are 7 baseball gloves. How many baseball caps do you see? There are 2 baseball caps. How many trophies do you see? There are 5 trophies. How many baseball bats do you see? There are 8 baseball bats. How many baseball jerseys do you see? There are 9 baseball jerseys. Good job, Sprouts. See you next time.